welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy Glam. If you're new to my channel, then thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, that way you will be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a returning family member, then welcome back, honey. Glad to see you. Thank you for watching another video with me. So y'all, I'm really excited about this video. So today I went out in the world. I went to the mall. First time going to the mall since the whole shutdown and all that. So I was really excited to get out and smell some perfumes. Of course, y'all know anytime I go to the mall, I have to stop by the fragrance department and smell all these wonderful fragrances. So I really didn't have any intent on buying a fragrance. I felt like, you know, if the mood hit me and I smelled something that I just really had to have, then I would get it. So and that is exactly what I did. So if you've been following me for a while, you know how I simply adore Mugler fragrances. So I do own the original Angel Eau de Parfum from like the late 90s. I have that one of my favorite fragrances of all times. I love Mugler, just the bottles, the fragrances, I love them. So I did stop by the Mugler counter at Macy's, and I went there to smell some of the alien flankers, because there's so many alien flankers, and I'm just like, okay, out of all these flankers, there has to be one that is for me. So I smelled the flankers. I did smell one that I really liked. I can't remember the name of it, but I have it written down. Next to the alien was the Angel fragrances. So I started smelling all the new Angel fragrances. Of course, since I started my channel, I've really educated myself on the Angel fragrances, because there's so many new ones, so many reformulations, so many flankers. There's just a lot. So but I did end up buying an Angel fragrance today, and I got the Angel Eau Croisiére. I hope I'm saying that right. It is the eau de toilette, and it is in the 1.7 ounce. And I believe this is the 2020 version, because if I'm not mistaken, there's a 2019 version. I don't know. I think that one is Eau Sucré, but this one is Eau Croisiére. Okay. So here is what it looks like. So that I'm hoping this is the 2020 version. It better be the 2020 version. So let's go ahead and open it, because I'm really excited about this fragrance. Again, like I said, if you guys have been following me, I've dedicated a whole video on the House of Mugler. I will link it in this video so that you can go and watch that. But yeah, I'm really super excited. When you open it up, it has like this little barcode in here, in case you want to, I guess, scan it and get information on the fragrance. Oh my god, I can smell this fragrance from the box, y'all. Oh my god. Look how beautiful that bottle is, y'all. This bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I love the transitional shade in the bottle, how it goes from like blue to pink. Oh my god, I can smell the fragrance from the nozzle, and I'm already getting this delicious fragrance. Ugh, it's so yummy. I can already tell. Of course, I did spray it in the store. I had to spray it. I think when it comes to Mugler fragrances are not fragrances that I would recommend you blind buy. I just wouldn't, because like with the Alien and the Angel, some people love Alien. I'm not the biggest Alien fan, and some people adore Angel and some people don't. So it's like, okay, if you like Alien, you may not like Angel, and vice versa. So I would recommend that you smell this fragrance, any of the Mugler fragrances, before you buy them, because I would hate for you to spend money and you don't like the fragrance. That would suck. So let's spray. Oh, Woo. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So I will give you my first impression without telling you guys the notes, how it's coming off. It's coming off as a fizzy pop, you know, very fizzy, very tropical, gourmand, sweet. I don't know if there's coconut in this. I do know that it's fig in this, but I don't know. It has a sweet, it could be the fig that's in this. I actually like fig. I don't own any fragrances that have fig note in them, but I love to eat fig. So this is so delicious, y'all. This is so good. I could put this fragrance on every day. Okay, so if you're concerned about it having the original Angel DNA, I would not be concerned with that. I promise you, if you put this fragrance on, you spray this fragrance, you will not smell the Angel DNA. In my opinion, I do not smell that original bold Angel DNA. This is totally different. This is a whole different animal. This, I mean, if somebody smelled you that is very familiar with fragrances, they would never think that you're wearing an Angel flanker at all, because this is totally far from that, and it is really good. I'm really pleased about, you know, this purchase, because I was a little skeptic, but you know, because I do love the original Angel, and I'm really happy to have this. Now, I know some people feel a certain way about patchouli. I would not be too concerned with that, because the patchouli is not prominent in this fragrance whatsoever. There, you know, in the original Angel, and maybe in the Angel Eau de Toilette, the reformulated one that's in a different size bottle, that one is, you know, has the patchouli in it. Of course, the original is a patchouli bomb, but this one, the patchouli in it is very mild. I definitely feel like you're gonna, at first sniff, you're gonna get that fizzy, sparkly vibe, and then you're gonna smell the fig nectar, and then you smell the praline, and all those combined just makes it a very creamy, sweet, like desserty type fragrance. This is really good. I did also get a cute little bag with my purchase, and it came, I don't know if I mentioned, I went to Macy's, and they are having a family and friends sale. So if you're interested in purchasing any fragrances, this is probably going to be the time to do so, because I did save some money on this fragrance. I have my receipt here, I'll tell you guys. So the fragrance at Macy's is originally $84. With that family and friend discount, I saved 15%, and the fragrance came out to $71. So it's been a long time, y'all, since I spent $71 on a fragrance. I'm just saying. But I felt like, you know, I really wanted to treat myself, and so I did that. Your girl did that. So yeah, it comes with this cute little makeup bag. Okay, and it says Mugler parfums on the front, and with it's a little dust bag. And here is, and what's so crazy is this bag actually is really giving me the vibe of the fragrance, because you see the palm trees and the water, and look at this little rope right here. This is giving me tropical beach vacation vibes, okay? And that is what this fragrance gives me. This fragrance gives me all kinds of summer beach vibes. Like, if you can't make it to the beach, spray this on and just close your eyes and let your imagination work for you, okay? I guess every time I hold up the bag, it goes dark. Yeah. Oopsie. Okay, in the bag it has a little, oh, I can pull it, and then I guess I can I can pull it and hold it like that. So it comes with a cute little bag. I'm pretty sure I will find something to put in this bag, you know, when I travel or whatever. This will make a really good makeup bag. So I like that. I think the sales associate thought that it had some type of lotion in here, but it don't. So I don't even know if they have lotion for this fragrance, but yeah, I'm really pleased with this fragrance. I'm happy that I added it to my collection. So I have pretty much made it up in my mind that at some point I want to collect all the Mugler fragrances. So we'll see, but I may not collect them all. I'm not gonna, who am I kidding? Like, if I don't like it, I don't like it. Like, it just doesn't make sense to have it in my collection if I'm not gonna wear it. Because even though I review fragrances online, I still buy fragrances with myself in mind, because I just don't want to do a fragrance a disgrace or disjustice by buying it and I don't like it, and just to have it to say I have it, that's insane to me. So yeah, again, if you are not into Mugler fragrances like that, but you want to buy one, you're interested, I would recommend that you smell it first before you buy it, because you may not like it. Mugler fragrances can kind of be, I always look at them as a house that thinks outside the box when it comes to fragrances. Me, myself, I don't have a problem with that. The weirder, the better for me. I just love fragrances that smell different, that smell not like anything I have in my collection. And this does not smell like anything I have in my collection. I do want to spray it on my skin just so I can get the total experience of the fragrance. I just love how this fits in my hand. Like, this bottle is absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is like almost like a piece of jewelry. It is just so bomb. It is so cute. I have to look in the camera because I want to, like, y'all looking at it, I want to look at it too. This is so cute. Like, oh, every time I smell it, I just get this rush of like a fizzy. Have you guys ever had, like, y'all remember like clear Canadian drinks, those fizzy sparkling waters, flavored waters that tasted like fizz, like cherry, but it was fizzy? That's exactly what I get in the beginning of this, and then it just goes into that fig. I've never had fig in a fragrance before, but they need to do it more often if it's like this, if it's gonna be like this. In the praline, the patchouli, I do smell it a little bit, but again, like I said before, it's not that pronounced in this fragrance. It is just a combination of intoxicating sweetness, creaminess. Oh, I feel like I just need to be in a bikini on the beach with my feet in the sand, in the, you know, a nice little drink with an umbrella in it. Oh, this is totally where this fragrance takes me. I'm getting vacation vibes, honey, and I can't go nowhere. So I absolutely adore this fragrance. Would I blind buy this fragrance? If you are into sweet gourmand fragrances, I would. If you are not a lover of the Angel fragrances, but you love sweet gourmand fragrances, I would still blind buy this fragrance. I would recommend you blind buy it, because you're not going to get that you're not going to get that Angel DNA in it. Like, I don't even know why it's called Angel, because it totally throws it off. Because to me, I don't smell any Angel in this fragrance. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. It's good. This is good, honey. This is a good one. Oh, I get so excited. Oh, I can't wait to wear it out. Somebody need to take me out to dinner, honey, so I can spray that perfume and knock them out, okay? Knock them off their feet with that one, because that one is, it's good. Woo. Let me stop. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I pray that you guys are being safe out there. And thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Mwah.